This is the Pambato Reef, Honda Bay, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Welcome to Pambato Reef! So ayan guys, at kauna-unahan kami dito. Of all the tourists, kami yung nauna. And what's up mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Marnado Vlog. And for today's video, we're here at Honda Bay and our first stop is the Pambato Reef Marine Sanctuary. So guys, join us. Before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa mga videos natin. So we're now here guys at the port. While waiting for our tour guide to facilitate our papers going to Honda Bay Adventure. And this is our team guys going to the boat.
Pero dito sa amin nag-base po sila ng monthly basis nila. Kaya tulad nung nakaraan.
So ito yung aming boat guys, yung Pirates.
Walang tao.
Nag-base sila rin sa mga dati.
So ready na kayo guys?
Ready na! Ng energy sila.
Wala lang ka energy, puyat.
Energy! Ready!
Ready na ba kayo guys?
Ready na!
And guys, ready na kami for first adventure. And this is the island hopping adventure here at Honda Bay. So we're going to our first stop, Pambato Reef. So hindi siya island guys. Floating cottage. Parang ganyan.
Sa train down niya.
So mag-swimming na doon guys. Para makikita yung mga corals
Train down niya doon.
at mga fish.
That's our first destination po, no? So mapapansin nyo, it's just a floating cottage. And then, yung sa floating cottage po sa harap po, doon lang po tayo allowed na mag-swimming po, no? Swimming po tayo. Kasi dito po sa sides, di po pwede. Doon lang po yung swimming area natin sa harap. Now, kapag kabababa po kayo, meron po yun siyang hagdan. No? Doon lang po tayo pa yung bumaba. Okay? Nag-tour lang siya.
So and guys, that's the night heron. Ayun, na-disturb siya sa amin. So this is our first
Sila doon for breeding. May ano po?
stop, the Pambato Reef. So kaming kauna-unahan dito guys. Wala pa yung mga ibang
Patay.
travelers and tourists.
Dito naman tayo sa nagtitimbuk yan.
So ayan guys, bababa na kami.
Sorry po.
So ayan guys, at kauna-unahan kami dito. Of all the tourists, kami yung nauna. And guys, this is our first stop, the Pambato Reef. So tara guys, samahan nyo kami. So tara guys. This is the Pambato Reef, Honda Bay, Puerto Princesa, Palawan.
Yeah. It's very well known in French, the survivor. That's reality part. That's right. So,
Baka underground sila.
survivor.
At yung kabilang island guys is the Luli Island. Diyan ang next kuha namin guys. Itinerary.
Alis ka na. Dito si Kuya. Hi. Sino yung nakatalikod?
Baka yung isda.
Mami Jo. Mami Jo, hindi kita.
Diba? Ang hirap ng langoy pag nakikaiban.
Si Mami Jo.
Ayoko magganto.
We'll be catching the fisher for lunch.
Nahihirapan kasi ako humilay.
Try mo mama. Diyan ka lang muna.
Hindi ako nalutan.
Dito.
Lutang ka, oh.
Pwede sila mag-
Lutang ka, oh.
Oo, pero bawal lang i-touch. Tsaka,
Pakuha nga ako ng cellphone ko. Magpipicture lang ako sa ano.
Kain, magkakain sa kanya. Doon sa may iba mo sa may ibang baba mo ba? Nasisit ko lang yan yung last. Nasisit ko yung last. Hindi, ito na yung pako.
you can eat them. Hopefully tomorrow will be a good weather.
Ano yung lugar na nasisit?
Dito lang pala yun niya, yung kanilang meron. Oslo, kasi malalaki talaga.
And this is the Pambato Reef guys. First stop here at Honda Bay.
Din po sila pero
So guys, next stop namin is the Luli Island or the Lulubog Lilitao Island. And guys, we're now approaching the Luli Island or the Lulubog Lilitao Island. And that's our quick visit here at Pambato Reef Marine Sanctuary. Don't forget to subscribe, Junito Marnado Vlog, and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin.